Hello there guys and welcome back to the channel. Right, so today I maybe bring good news to some people. Hey, either way, if you are having trouble logging in still, and I know for a fact due to my comment sections and command forums that there are still a lot of people who cannot access this game at all or are having to jump through insane hoops to log in it. Then perhaps to some of you, this might be the solution that works for you. And I have in fact heard from my chat as well for several people who were having issues and who tried it, that it has been working for them. Now keep in mind, since this situation is very different for a ton of different people, some people can't get in at all, some people need to re-download the game every single time they want to log in and like download basically a gigabyte of data. Some people need to restart the phone every time they want to log in, and so on and so forth. So there are a ton of different well, I'm not going to call them solutions, but there are a ton of different scenarios how it has been affecting people. Therefore, there is no guarantee that this will work for you. But if you are one of those people who find it either impossible or borderline impossible to access the game right now, then perhaps this method that I have been explained to in my chat room online will help you. So the first message was from Pap the chat. Says you need to change provider connection settings from to IPv4 from IPv6, which is phone's default setting. It has helped me since the issue arrived in November update from the stream. Well, there we go. So IPv4 is the answer. And then we do have Evil Dan, who goes in more detail about it. For Android users, especially T-Mobile Spirit connection errors and login issues, go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names, write down all info from provider default settings. Go back, click Add, insert all you wrote down, then change the APN protocol to IPv4 on the roaming protocol. IPv4. You can swap it anytime to see what works best to connect. I also had to change from 5G back to 4G LTE. I hope this helps at least one person. So basically, you need to create a new access point name that uses IPv4. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be the most knowledgeable person about this subject, but it seems relatively straightforward. And he also sent pictures to explain where you go. So you basically go to your mobile networks, then you tap on access point names, and you have these two access point names, which this IPv6 is going to be your default one. So you open that IPv6 access point name, you basically take a screenshot, copy all the information that you need to know, then go back to access point names, add an access point, name it however you want, add in all of the information that you had before, and just use that IPv4 as a connection type there. Then he goes, you can name the APN anything you want, so you know it's for MCOC. More importantly, T-Mobile Spirit Android users, the November update made it to where Kabam would only connect on IPv4, but your default on your phone only allows IPv6. It basically dumps down your mobile connection to their server. They have not fixed it yet after multiple tickets and me even telling them how to fix it. Hopefully this was easy to understand and helps to log in and connection issues for Android. It took me months to figure it out. The only thing it affects and I have to change back to IPv6 is sending pictures or screenshots via text. So you basically create this new APN name that you use as your default or for MCOC, and then you might have issues sending pictures or screenshots via text, in which case you would have to switch back to your original profile. But other than that, your phone should be fully functional on this new IPv4 profile. That is the amount of information that I have been given, and I hope it does in fact help to a quite bunch of you, because based on what I heard, it has in fact already helped out a bunch of people from my chat, and it is working for, well, at the very least, large enough group of players, I believe, to be worth mentioning in the video. And hey, once again, if you can't get in the game, why not try it? On the other hand, obviously, I do not think that this should be something that I need to make a video about. I do not think that this is something that players should be trying to figure out by themselves. I do think that it is responsibility of Kabam, if not fix their servers to IPv6, which is what the modern world uses these days, then at the very least to post this information publicly themselves, rather than relying on somebody figuring it out and then passing the information from person to person through line chats. But hey, what do I know, right? So either way, I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. The whole point of this video was just to let you know that there is a possible potential workaround / fix to your connection problems. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if it doesn't. Let me know what does. And let me know what is your current situation, because Kabam are very, very busy right now deleting posts from their can't login forum. I have been contacted about that, as the thread keeps growing and it keeps shrinking because half the posts there are getting deleted. But hey, it's just another reminder why not to use Kabam forums for much. Anyways, as I said before, I hope this works for you, and I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have alliance mates, teammates who have trouble logging in, then also please do direct them to this video, where I do my best to explain what could potentially help. Again, keep in mind, it is just a potential solution. I doubt it will work for everybody, but so long as at least there are a couple of people who can get in the game who couldn't otherwise, well worth posting this video. Right, that is just about it for this one, and I shall catch you guys later. See ya. Hello there guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we have all the information about the